Another great upgrade that we've been doing a lot is the inverter. The inverter, of course, is the system that converts your electric to what you can use in a household capacity. You know, plug in any regular appliance, a coffee machine, hair dryer, television, video games, stuff like that. So you want an inverter that complements your system. This one came with a 1000 watt inverter, and we recently just switched it out. I know it's kind of tight in here. I'm trying to show you a good view, but we replaced it with a 2800 watt inverter, which is almost 3 times the capacity. And we'll do an extra video with the lithium battery system and the solar too, that all complements each other very nicely. But we decided to put it in here because it mounts very clean in one of these storage compartments in the basement, I guess they call this. And we even added a low profile plug here, so you have useful, you have an extra plug. Anytime you're out camping, you got another outlet you can use. But it's a nice low profile design, and just another one of the great electrical upgrades you can do on RVs.